as the competent authority has not responded to the demands of the students. The Difu Government College Students Union Society, the Karbi Student Associations and many social organizations continue to protest for admissions at Difu Government College here on Thursday. Many admission seekers have joined the agitations, continuing with their demands. Spokesperson of the APHLC, Angtong Ingtikathar, also joined the peaceful protests, addressing the agitations, urging the protesters to raise their voice. The agitations was also attended by the president of Karbi Students Union, Mr. Sar Im Tokbi. He allegedly said that the principal of Difu Government College, Dr. Nirab Kumar Sharma, is a person who cancelled the career orientation program in which the students used to learn different career-related programs, which clearly suggests that the principal of Difu Government College doesn't want the students to learn different activities.
The principal, I would rather take his name, or rather I might not take his name. I would not take his name, but we all know the person who am I exactly pointing out. The moment he came into the institute, the government college gave him the power as a principal of the institute, but he misused his power. He was supposed to look into the matter of the campus, the college, but the welfare of the students. But what he is doing is creating chaos inside the institute. You people must have noticed earlier, because I too am a grad student from this very institute. In the year 2012, I did my graduations. By then, we had a COB, career-oriented program, where we used to learn, computer. There was a course like computer, and then the other was journalism, and then English speaking terms or something. There were other programs which were taught in the institute. Teachers came all the way from other places. I have personal context, still I have personal context with those teachers. And they always used to complain, like, why does this principal doesn't want students to learn other curricular activities? Why doesn't he, support the students? Just imagine, the thing that we are supposed to learn, this principal doesn't want us to be that educated or to be that, a skillful person. Because education doesn't, ultimately doesn't confine into the traditional institute, like from class 1 to class 10, class 10 to 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That is not just education. Curricular activities along Tailitum, there are a lot of things that we learn from one another. And these small programs gives us a lot of knowledge. Sidame labangso principal ke lahayanta ponche pontulap. When I personally tried to inquire about the reason why he omitted the corps program from the institute, he said that I would only concentrate onto the very traditional course of education, like from 11 to graduation. Alang ke lan sini ke dake la so institute long ke than choji aga pregan ke ni ke than thilo la dake. Ante la an ke than along alang pale damun loma students dom pan ke charlie along ko an rap theklo. What is the, if you look at the graph, what is the hike of the percentage of students coming up in this very institute?
All right, that's breaking news coming in. All Party Hills Leader Conference as booth level committee meeting was reported to have been interrupted by the BJP workers. This has been informed by the APHLC this evening that the BJP workers have interrupted the APHLC's booth level meeting. This is the breaking news that we are tracking for you, ladies and gentlemen, that APHLC is now alleging and saying that the BJP workers have interrupted the booth level meeting, which has been organized by All Party Hills Leader Conference at Vomu Attar, which falls under Baita Langso Legislative Assembly constituency. Let's listen to what APHLC had to say.
Video clips along mata tu mido alang li tu masih ke post alang li tu masih delete pet lala social media long penta la sela dak ke alang li tu mani tu hanai pudo niliphan especially nang term lo le 20 SD wothat lang so LA president pulo niliphan hanse sangho nang li dak in future ke dak ke wangji right away la pen ke wangji aphan mathari usil son sinang puni hanang warning dilo la si in case nilipini puji media theng no ile tu ake hai tuliram rong hang sar aphan alang li supporter la alang li manufactured reader dak bitung reng thamalong lason ilitum han karbi nili da inu da karbi ni have ni da methang right do ni da fundamental rights do la so things ilitum han dakadam India constitution long dame articles 19 lang dam note we have right to organize for the right meeting right to have a discussion la so bang do tang de people sini tum hala so freedom bang nang people lo la sini tum puji nil tum hala so na threatening nang pi bang ke in future if I have faced any circumstances to liram rong hang our honorable CM Karbiang Autonomous Council is responsible for that nili dak rong bong sidonon I am getting alang tum ben threatening oson kelong bang e ning hang he la penili da thang da pu penili tum party pen non pu dan tum thang da pu pe that is number 1 second point nili tum pu bang la hello pini nili tum la that long trok boot committee nili tum ke dam tang apor one pen nili tum apor chen nili tum seng det ben nili tum pini first executive dolo la so executive long nili tum awareness meeting do bomahut nili tum phan meeting na interrupt dun tutlo mate meeting ni tum phan nang phidun phun la son sidaklo la sinil tum pulo nil tum arona tang message ke klem nang li tum yong sina interrupt dun begi bonte karbi hijan komane kona komane keng sang bale tum kache bhong li kache debate kali na tum yong si ke hailam kisi chirai dame nil tum meeting pajut kok ko si nil tum pajut kok lo sita me la son bang e claim kle den nang ji nil tum ta isi party political la song nil tum ta isi status do nil tum ta party asong ke claim je right do India along ke democratic country like a one party system kali apreka party tum ta methang ideology do ajad do la so tengsi claim ponji dam ponji